In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Revolut Business account. Do I need to upload all these? Open your web browser and search for Revolut. Head to the official site and select the option to create a business account. Right away, you'll be asked to choose your country. Make sure Revolut supports your location before you proceed, as availability can vary. When you're ready, continue and pick the legal business type that matches your registration, such as a limited company, sole trader, partnership, or nonprofit. Choosing the correct type helps avoid verification delays later. Enter your email address and continue. Revolut will send you a message to authorize your login, so open your inbox, find the email, and confirm access through the link provided. Next, enter your phone number, double check that the correct country code is selected, and continue. You'll receive a verification code by text. Enter it promptly before it expires. Create a strong password you'll remember, then continue to your personal details. Provide your date of birth exactly as it appears on your identification and move on to your residential address. Use your official current address, since Revolut may cross-check this during verification. Now search for your business legal name. If a search result appears, select the correct entity and continue. You'll be prompted to enter business details, including your legal name, your official company registration number, such as the company's house number in the UK or the equivalent in your country, and your date of incorporation. Enter the registered business address, city, and postcode. It's best if these match your formation documents or public registry. Next comes identity verification. Continue and choose the type of ID you'll use, like a passport or national ID card. Follow the on-screen guidance carefully, ensure good lighting, remove any screen glare, and have your document ready. When prompted, start the short verification video. Keep your face fully visible, hold your ID steady within the frame, and follow any prompts to turn your head or speak. This step is a standard compliance requirement to confirm you are who you say you are. Depending on your country and business type, Revolut may request supporting documents, such as proof of address or proof of business activity. You only need to upload what they ask for. Requirements can vary. After you submit everything, verification can take a few minutes or longer. Once approved, you'll be taken to your dashboard, where you can begin exploring your account, set preferences, and get ready to transact.